नमस्कार, वेलकम टु जय इङ्ग्लिस ल्याङ्ग्वेज लर्निङ च्यानल। आज यो भिडियोमा हामीले विभिन्न प्रकारका वाट क्वेसनको अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। यसको प्रश्न कसरी सोध्ने र यसको उत्तर कसरी दिने दुईटै हामी अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। आउनुहोस् भिडियो सुरु गरौँ। प्रेजेन्ट कन्टिन्युअससँग सम्बन्धित केही प्रश्नहरू छन्। व्हाट आर यु डुइङ? तिमी के गर्दैछौ? What are you doing? तिमी के गर्दैछौ? अब I am playing, I am sleeping, I am reading, I am writing यस्ता विभिन्न बिफोहरू यहाँ राखेर हामी अभ्यास गर्न सक्छौँ। यसो गर्नाले फ्लुएन्सी बढ्छ। त्यसैले यी अभ्यास गरौँ। I am playing, म खेलिरहेको छु। I am playing, म खेलिरहेको छु। What is he doing? ऊ के गर्दैछ? What is he doing? ऊ के गर्दैछ? He is reading. ऊ पढ्दैछ। He is reading. ऊ पढ्दैछ। What are they doing? उनीहरू के गर्दैछन्? What are they doing? उनीहरू के गर्दैछन्? They are sleeping. उनीहरू सुतिरहेका छन्। They are sleeping. उनीहरू सुतिरहेका छन्। अब यो रातो बिफोमा अन्य विभिन्न प्रकारका बिफोहरू लगाएर हामी अभ्यास गर्न सक्छौँ। त्यस्तै अब पास्ट कन्टिन्युअस एक्सनसँग सम्बन्धित व्हाट वेयर यु डुइङ? तिमी के गर्दै थियौ? What were you doing? तिमी के गर्दै थियौ? I was sleeping. अब यो were पास्टमा छ, त्यसैले यसको आन्सर गर्दाखेरि I सँग was आउँछ। I was sleeping. म सुतिरहेको थिएँ। I was sleeping. म सुतिरहेको थिएँ। What were they doing? उनीहरू के गर्दै थियो? What were they doing? उनीहरू के गर्दै थियो? They were playing. उनीहरू खेल्दै थिए। They were playing. उनीहरू खेल्दै थिए। What was he doing? ऊ के गर्दै थियो? What was he doing? ऊ के गर्दै थियो? He was reading. ऊ पढिरहेको थियो। He was reading. ऊ पढिरहेको थियो। What was she doing? उनी के गर्दै थिइन्? What was she doing? उनी के गर्दै थिइन्? She was dancing. उनी नाचिरहेकी थिइन्। She was dancing. उनी नाचिरहेकी थिइन्। अब हामीले यो रातो बिफो जुन रातो गरिएको छ ती सबै बिफोहरू हुन्। यी बिफोहरूमा अन्य बिफोहरू ल्याएर हामी अभ्यास गर्न सक्छौँ र फ्लुएन्सी बढाउन सक्छौँ। अब मैले अन्य बिफोहरू यहाँ लेखिदिएको छु लिस्टमा। यी सबै बिफोहरू हुन्। यी सबै बिफोहरूलाई हामीले रातो गरिएको ठाउँमा राखेर अभ्यास गर्छौँ। I am reading, I am writing, I am talking, I am playing, I am running, I am jumping, I am singing, I am dancing, I am walking, I am eating, I am drinking, I am asking, I am working, I am driving, I am watching, I am swimming, I am cleaning, I am washing, I am standing यी सबैसँग राखेर अभ्यास गर्नुहोला। त्यस्तै he was reading, he was writing, he was talking, he was playing, he was running, he was jumping, he was singing, he was dancing, he was walking, he was eating, he was drinking, he was asking, he was working, he was driving, he was watching, he was swimming, he was cleaning, he was washing, he was standing. यसरी सबैसँग यी बिफोरहरू राखेर अभ्यास गर्नुहोला। यो गर्नुभयो भने तपाईहरुको फ्लुएन्सी अवश्य बढ्नेछ। त्यस्तै she was reading, she was writing, she was talking, she was playing, she was running, she was jumping, she was singing, she was dancing, she was walking, she was eating, she was drinking, she was asking, she was walking, she was driving, she was watching, she was swimming, she was cleaning, she was washing, she was standing भनेर अभ्यास गर्नु होला। त्यस्तै they were reading, they were writing, they were talking, they were playing, they were running, they were jumping, they were singing, they were dancing, they were walking, they were eating, they were drinking, they were asking, they were working, they were working, they were driving, they were watching, they were swimming, they were cleaning, they were washing, they were standing। यसरी अभ्यास गर्नु होला। त्यस्तै I was reading, I was writing, I was talking, I was playing, I was running, I was jumping, I was singing, I was dancing, I was walking, I was eating, I was drinking, I was asking, I was working, I was driving, I was watching, I was swimming, I was cleaning, I was washing, I was standing। यी सबैसँग तपाईहरुले यी बिफोरहरू राखेर अभ्यास गर्नुहोला। यसरी अभ्यास गर्नुभयो भने तपाईहरुको फ्लुएन्सी बढ्छ। अब what does he do? What does he do? यो सिम्पल प्रेजेन्टसँग सम्बन्धित क्वेशन हो। What does he do? ऊ के गर्छ? He plays, ऊ खेल्छ। What does he do? ऊ के गर्छ? He plays, ऊ खेल्छ। अब यो plays को ठाउँमा यी सबै B5 हरु राखेर अभ्यास गर्नु होला। He reads, he writes, he sleeps, he eats, he goes, he comes, he walks, he washes, he takes bath, he cleans, he sweeps, he drives, he teaches। सबैसँग राखेर अभ्यास गर्नुभयो भने तपाईहरुको ह्याबिट बन्छ र फ्लुएन्सी बोल्ने ह्याबिट बन्छ र फ्लुएन्सी बढ्छ। अब थप वर्डसँग सम्बन्धित क्वेशनहरु अभ्यास गरौँ। व्हाट्सअप के छ? हामी नेपालीमा भनिरहेका हुन्छौं के छ? यसलाई अंग्रेजीमा व्हाट्सअप। तर यो व्हाट्सअप चाहिँ इन्फर्मल ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो। यो इन्फर्मल ल्याङ्ग्वेज साथीभाइहरुसँग घर परिवारमा मात्रै बोल्नु पर्ने हुन्छ। आफूभन्दा सिनियरहरुसँग यो व्हाट्सअप प्रयोग गरिदैन। साथीभाइहरुसँग मात्रै प्रयोग गर्न सक्छौं। व्हाट्सअप के छ? व्हाट्सअप। What is that? त्यो के हो? What is that? त्यो के हो? What is this? यो के हो? What is this? What did you say? तपाईले के भन्नुभयो? What did you say? What did he say? What did he say? उसले के भन्यो? What did he say? उसले के भन्यो? What did she say? What did she say? उनले के भनिन्? What did she say? उनले के भनिन्? What did they say? What did they say? उनीहरूले के भने? What did they say? उनीहरूले के भने? What time is it? कति समय भएको छ? What time is it? कति समय भएको छ? What did you buy? तिमीले के किन्यौ? What did you buy? तिमीले के किन्यौ? What do you eat? तिमी के खान्छौ? What do you eat? तिमी के खान्छौ? What do you need? तिमीलाई के आवश्यक छ? What do you need? तिमीलाई के आवश्यक छ? What do you want? तपाई के चाहनुहुन्छ? What do you want? तपाई के चाहनुहुन्छ? अथवा तिमी के चाहन्छौ? What do you want? What is going on? के चल्दैछ? What is going on? के चल्दैछ? What woke you up? What woke you up? केले तपाईलाई उठायो? What woke you up? केले तपाईलाई उठायो? What woke you up? What is your name? तिम्रो नाम के हो? What is your name?